In this short tutorial, I want to show you how to create a derived copy of an e-textbook from the OpenStax website. The first thing you need to do is log in to your cnx.org login. So click login, put in your credentials. If you don't have one already, you will need to register for an account. Please note that it does take a few days for your account to be approved. Once you log in and are ready to go, you want to go into the OpenStax website and select the book that you want to make a derived copy of. So today let's open up the microbiology book. Click View Online. And in the upper right hand corner, we want to view the CNX legacy site version of this book. So when we click on the CNX version, it will open up inside the CNX microbiology version. To click to make a derived copy of the collection by clicking here. It says you do not have any roles or permissions on this collection. Since I didn't create the microbiology book, I'm going to ask it to derive a copy. So for example, if you want to make a derived copy of the Biotechnology Foundations book, it will ask you to make your own derived copy. Press continue. We want to put this in our personal workspace. We want to edit it right now, and we want to agree to a Creative Commons license. Please note that any content that you put into a derived copy must be a Creative Commons attributions license, or be something you created yourself, or be something that is available in the public domain. So click on both and press yes, create a copy. It does take a few minutes to load large copies of derived versions of the ebooks. The derived copy of the microbiology book is here. You can see the book is quite extensive. And again, each one of the modules are identified by the blue letter X. The modules can be put into collections underneath individual folders called sub-collections. These sub-collections turn out to be chapters when you publish the book. And again, you can move around any of the individual sub-collections by using the drag and drop. You can do the same within a particular sub-collection. So let's say I want to move this module above the systematic approach here. It's again just drag and drop. You can edit the title by creating an alternative title such as microorganisms save. So it just changes the title. You can remove it entirely from the collection. So if you don't want it there, you can say remove. And if you want to add a module, say I wanted to add module here, you click add module. You need the ID number for the particular module that you want to add. So you can go to your published modules section. So let's say I want to put buffers in there. So I would highlight this module and click search for modules. Here's the buffer. And again, this is one that I edited, so that's why it has me as an author. Click selected. and it adds it in that particular sub-collection. Your derived copy of the book will continue to stay inside your workspace until you publish it. Once you decide to publish it, it will be published as your own derived copy. You can create metadata for this derived copy, so you can click here on metadata. You can change your own title, so you can call this Biotechnology, Microbiology Approaches to Biotechnology, just making it up. You can put in keywords here, biotechnology, microbiology, and you want to have a very comprehensive description of your book. Okay. And you can also put course codes, institution, instructor, and things like that here. Roles. You can add people to editing roles here, whoever owns it, authors. You can create working groups to help with the book. Print parameters, so you can change your fonts. You can export it as an XML, and you can also create a preview. And if you take a look where we put the buffers section, you can see it here. All right.